Hey everyone, I'm just outside. I'm testing my DJI Osmo Mobile 6. Um, I'm basically walking around. As you can hear, I'm in my backyard and you can hear the cicadas are going crazy. It's a very hot day today and they're going nuts right now. Um, so you can obviously hear that in the background, and that's for a reason. Um, I wanted to talk about the tracking on this. One of the main reasons I got this is to give me the ability to do some movement and just kind of walk around. And that's what I'm doing. I'm just kind of moving around, walking, and, um, you know, just using the smooth capability or the gimbal capability to the best I can. In the next clip, I'm going to show you a different way to get better audio, just to kind of knock out some of the background noise and go from there. Okay, so now in this clip, I've actually um, hooked up, or I'm wearing a audio live mic, and I'm going through a Zoom H2n recorder. And what I'll do is I will sync this up in post in my DAW, probably in Final Cut. This is a really good option because when you use a gimbal, like such as I'm using here, it's kind of hard to get a wireless mic, whether you're using a little Bluetooth wireless mic or something like a Rode Wireless 2 Go, which I do have, or the new DJI mics. It's hard to use those simply because the gimbal doesn't support the weight of those units, and of course that can throw your picture off when you're using that. So I'm going to just walk away from the mic for a few minutes, or from the camera, and hopefully you can still hear me as I'm moving around. And I'm moving out in the yard, and I'm not really sure how this is picking me up, but the closer I get, you'll see it probably will pick me up there. So it does have some tracking issues when you move really out of shot, or you got other objects in the shot. But for basic vlogging and videoing, this is a pretty good option, and it's fairly inexpensive as a way to have good quality audio. So again, you can hear the cicadas in the background. They're going nuts because it's a hot summer day. But I wanted to share that with you guys as a tip on what I do for, or what I'm going to start doing for audio when it comes to doing video. Thank you for watching, and hope that helps somebody.